You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's learn how to pronounce it in English and also in French. It's a word of French pronunciation originally, Travois. This is why the S is silent. In English, you have two slightly different pronunciations, either Travois or Travois, because essentially in French there's no stress on any particular of the two syllables. Therefore, both pronunciations are used, Travois or Travois. From French, Travois. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.